So now let's do oversampling. Sample, so that, and here is where we had the updated data with updated metadata is here. So this is where we need to do the sampling after the conversion. So we want to have equal representation of all the three classes, right? So what we need to do is to, okay, so the percentage should be changed to 100%. Okay. So which means the entire data set will be selected, 42,000 variations, right? But we don't want that. We want equal number, so the stratified criterion should be changed to equal. Okay. Now this will make sure that there is equal number of cases for each level of the target. So let's make sure that the target, okay, edit variables, and then, okay, so this surface condition is rejected. Fatalities, okay, so there is fatalities, there is maximum severity. So fatalities should be sampled role is none. You should change that to none. You don't want the stratification to be done on fatalities. We want it from maximum severity. So there are two targets here that we have. Okay, so if you leave it as is, then you will get unexpected results. So what we need to do is to make sure that we identify which target should be used for the stratification. Okay, so now you run this. Okay, look at the results and see what's happening. So here, so it gives you the results for both the targets, but fatalities did not play a role in selection. So this is what's happening here. So there is level 0, 1 and 2, an equal number are selected. Okay. So then you do a data partition. Let's do the same thing like before. All right, and then do a neural network. All right, so we'll use range for standardization. Run that. Okay, results. So that's fatalities. Oh, so it ran both fatalities and maximum severity because I didn't reject it. So if you go and say, you need to say no to fatalities, then only maximum severity would be used as the target. Okay, look at the results. All right, so misclassification rate is again close to 0, and what we can do now is copy this node. Okay. So we can copy the node and connect that. So you don't have to do the code editor again. So by copying, you can see that the code is, okay, so we have the same code available to us. Run that. Okay. So here we have the actual is 012. All right. Now the oversampled case is probably because there's not enough data. So you're not predicting anything to be 2. So you're probably better off with the model where we used all the variables earlier, and that did a good job. Okay. So sometimes this, you get to a dead end, so you have to back up and then redo your analysis some other way. That's why you have so many different methods available to us.